What's up, everybody? Your boy Pat back again with another edition of Patrick Unplugged. Today's topic of the day is the PetCube Cam.
This is a Heat Rocks production.
Now, before we get into it, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell as it helps out the channel. Now, the PetCube Cam. This is a cam that you can leave at home while you go away to video monitor your pets. It's 1080p HD Wi-Fi smart pet camera. Let's go through some of the specs real quick. So we'll look at the side and the features. You can see it says stream 1080p full HD video with 110 degree wide angle lens, night vision for low light and no light conditions, an 8x digital zoom to capture the details, a two-way speaker, or I should say a two-way audio with built-in speaker and microphone, a sound and motion alert to your phone, camera sharing option for the family and for the friends. It's PetCube once again, and then it shows a picture of the dog. You can scan the code to get the app. Obviously, I'm gonna do that, and I'll probably look at the app in another video, but for now, this is an unboxing. So I already cut the little piece of tape, but I haven't looked inside, so let's see what's inside here. We look in, and it seems to be nothing else in there. We'll get rid of that. You're getting some books, it looks like, so you're getting English and you're getting in French. So this looks like it might come from France. I don't know, but usually it's in English and Spanish or just in English. But you're getting two different boxes. So let's see what's in the first box here. All right, so you're getting some poison, and they pack the poison away very nice and neatly. I don't know why, but you got two poison packs and you got a brick. Nothing else there, so we'll put that to the side. We'll keep the brick over here for a minute. And then in here, it looks like you're getting just the cube. So, oh, nope, there's some other stuff in here as well. I don't know how to get that out without destroying it. Oh, it goes the other way. Okay, so you're getting the cube. Looks like it's got some stickers here. We'll take that sticker off. Looks like you have some range here where you can kind of play around as far as what angles you want. There's where your USB is gonna go. It looks like they gave you a cord here as well. A USB type C, which I like, which tells me this is a newer thing, a newer model. And then that obviously is gonna go in here inside the brick. That's how you keep it charged and going while you're away. Now let's throw that to the side. And then you're also getting this. I don't know what this is. It says designed for pets. Looks like some sort of oh, it's a magnet. So I don't know what the purpose of that is, but we'll figure that out in just a bit. So the camera overall, I would say, is built mostly with plastic here. But let's get back to this. So this looks like you got a magnet. I guess you could mount this somewhere if you want. It has a little sticky here. I guess you could take this off and stick it and mount it somewhere. It's 3M, which is nice. But I like the fact that this does have a magnet here. So if you have a magnet to put it on, you can mount it somewhere. Really nice. Really kind of just plain feels, you know, it's white obviously, but really just plastic. Nothing special, nothing amazing. It's hard plastic, so this swivel feels really good. It's going to stay in what position you put it, which I like that. I'll have to clean this again because I've been touching it a bunch of times. But nothing to it really. I guess we'll look into the app a little bit later and see what the functionality of this is, but right now I would say that's what the PetCube looks like. Okay, so I decided to actually set up the app to show you guys what it looks like. It was very simple. There's a button that was underneath the camera, and I'll show you it right here in the corner so you can see it. But when you push that button, you set up Wi-Fi, and it actually is pretty nice. It's pretty easy. It'll say, hey, Wi-Fi set up or camera set up, and then it'll come up with the settings on your actual phone in the app, which is the PetCube app. And I'll show you what the app looks like right here. We'll go through we'll find PetCube app really quick. It is right there. It'll let you scan a QR code with the actual camera, and then you'll get to this. So This is my actual app here. You at home, explore, you contact the chat, and then it's got some settings here that you can go through if you like to go through stuff like this, but it's very clear. Once I hit this button here, this play, I won't do it now because there's gonna be a lot of feedback, but it's very clear and it's very good at picking up sounds. I don't know how it works in night mode because I haven't had the chance to set that up, but I'm definitely gonna try that. And I will tell you, this is a definite go. I will say this right here is gonna be something that I use often when I leave to keep track of what my pets are doing. Shout out to everybody rocking me on Instagram, YouTube, the Anchor app. You can also find me on Spotify, as well as Apple and Google Podcasts. It's your boy Pat. Peace. Catch you on the next one.